Hello, you're watching Novice Tech World. Today we will learn what is an Excel worksheet. In this video, I will show you how to open a new or existing worksheet, the different templates available to use, what is a workbook and a worksheet, how to add, rename, delete, copy multiple worksheets, the layout of a worksheet that is tabs, ribbons, groups, how to search or ask for help in a worksheet, what are the rows, columns, cells in a worksheet? How to save, print, or export a worksheet. Stay tuned to learn all this and watch how it makes your life simple. So when you go to the Start key on your desktop, you will be given an option to select the Microsoft Excel icon. Click on that and this would open up a page similar to this. Now, if we look at creating a new workbook, click on the new key here and this would give you an option to select a blank workbook or several different templates which are available for you to use. You would just go in and change the data to suit your requirement. For now, I already have a sample data ready which we will look at here. Now the major difference between a workbook and a worksheet is a workbook is a collection of multiple worksheets. So if you see here, we have two worksheets, EX1, EX6, and if I click on the plus key here, this will add another worksheet known as sheet 7. So if I right click on this worksheet, it would give me several options of what I want to do with this worksheet. For instance, say I want to rename the worksheet. I would select rename and name it as sample 1. If I would like to delete the worksheet, I will just right click again and click on delete and that worksheet would disappear. In order to copy a worksheet, you can also right click and click the option move or copy. Select the option here as create copy and this would duplicate the worksheet with a suffix of 2. Once again, to delete this worksheet, right click, select delete, and Microsoft Excel will ask you if you want to permanently delete this sheet. Say delete and you are back to just two sheets, EX1 and EX6. Now moving on to the layout of the worksheet. If you can see the screen above, each of these words here is a tab. So you have the Home tab, the Insert tab, the Page Layout tab, the Formulas tab, the Data tab, the Review tab, the View tab, and the Help tab. Each tab has a ribbon. If you see this section out here, this is known as a ribbon. So Home has a ribbon, the Insert tab has a ribbon, the Page Layout has a ribbon. Each ribbon has a group. So if you see under the Home tab, you have the Font group, the Alignment group, the Number group, the Styles group, the Cells group, the Editing group. Under Insert, you would have Tables, Add-ins, Charts, Tools, Sparklines, Filters. Page Layout, you would have Themes, Page Setup, Scale to Fit, Sheet Options, Arrange. Formulas, you would have different formulas and the function libraries available. Data, you would have different ways of getting data in your worksheet. Queries and connections, data types. So every tab has a ribbon and every ribbon has a group. Now, at every group, you can see a small key out here, which is known as the launch key. If you click on this, you will get a dialog box giving you further options on that group. So this is sometimes because all the options available in a group cannot be fit into the group on a ribbon, and that's why you have a lot more detailed functions available in the launch key. You also have a search option out here where you can search for something. Say you want to insert a worksheet. It would give you the insert option and it would ask you, you want to insert a cell, row, column, or sheet. So I will click insert sheet and it will insert a sheet over here for me. I will then say delete, right click, select delete. Another thing about the worksheet is rows, columns, and cells. So if you can see the number 1, 2, 3 on the left hand side, these are your rows. And if you see a column A, B, C on top, this would be your columns. So you have a specific amount of columns. I think it goes on for a lot, and you have a lot of rows available to work with. Now, if you see the cell A1, this is where you can write your data. So every cell has a name. So if you see the name of this cell where the mouse is, this is called A1. If I move on to Jan out here, this cell is called D2. Also, a range of cells, say I select this range from A1 to H10 is called a range. Now finally, in order to save all the data on your worksheet, you will need to go to File and click on the Save option. This would save all the changes you have made on your worksheet. You also have the option to export data. Say you want to create a PDF version and it would create a PDF version of the file. And if you want to save the data in different formats, you also have different formats available as a drop down. That's it from my side, guys, in this video. If you want to see more of such videos, click on the playlist showing up or watch the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for improvement. Thank you for watching. I would really appreciate if you could like and share with friends who could benefit from this video. Until we meet again, have a good day.